welcome to another Texas Gym challenge log. It's a RUSSWIN, and this log I received in a recent package from Jim. Here is the bidding on the key, not too many ups and downs. Lock works very nice and is locked up. And as the bidding is not so difficult, I tried to rake it open. Well, let's see if this works. Okay, got a 4 set already. I think I have to help with my pick a little bit. Now rake again. And it's open. That was nice. Okay, so let me quickly gut it. Alright. Turn it like this, and I need my hollow follower. Oh, that doesn't work. Huh. It doesn't work? No, it doesn't work. Alright, so then try to gut it with the help of my pinning shoe. Not sure if I can get it back together then, but we'll see. Okay, we'll follow with the follower that has the groove. Ah, that works. Alright, so let's dump out the key pins. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6. Of course, it's a 6-pin lock. Arrange them like this. All are very nicely serrated. Alright. Next for the driver pins. That was 1. Ooh, this is a nice one. Very deep spool. Another one with a sharp edge. Another one. Wow, that's a big spool. Alright. And now the last one. Great pins we have in this lock. Quickly let me check the plug. I'm not sure if it's threaded. Yes, it's very light threaded. The threading is very light, not very prominent. Alright. And the Bible, the chambers in the Bible are all smooth. Nothing special here. And now give you a close-up view to the pins. Very nice pins. Sorry. So all the key pins are Hey camera, would you please focus? Yep, here we are. All the key pins are serrated with, yeah, very deep serrations, very deep grooves. And the driver pins are, are very nice also. So we have 1, 2, 3, one with a deep serration, one normal spool, and 1 or 2 crazy spools, very long and thin spools. All right, yeah, Jim, thank you very much for this lock, and everybody else, thanks for watching and happy picking. Bye bye.